Hi friends, now that we have our watermelon labeling done, we're going to do our watermelon life cycle. So there's actually sentences that we're going to read. So let's do this. The first thing we're going to do is cut out our pictures. Let's get all of our pictures cut out first. And then we're going to match them with the correct sentence. Okay, I'm going to also cut off these pieces at the bottom and cut around my box so this ends up fitting in our book. So I'm going to cut around and around. And I'm going to cut that side off and then cut this bottom piece off too so this ends up fitting in our book. Okay, so there we have that. And then let's make sure we have all of our pictures cut out. So I'm going to cut out our pictures. Okay, our first sentence says, the watermelon begins as a seed. So we're going to find the picture of our seed and we're going to glue that in the first box. The watermelon begins as a seed, so I'm going to glue that in. Then it says a small green sprout goes. So I'm going to find my one with a small green sprout. And here we have our small sprout. Leaves and a vine grow along the dirt. So let's find one that says just leaves. See, it has just leaves and a vine. Here we have just leaves and a vine. So we're going to go ahead and glue that one down. Here we have leaves and a vine. Okay. Our next sentence says, flowers bloom on the vine. Flowers bloom on the vine. So I'm getting my picture with the flower on the vine. So here you see our flower. And then we have a watermelon grows from the flower. So we're going to glue on our last picture that shows that our watermelon has grown on the vine. Now, friends, you can go back through and color. So we can color our watermelon seeds. You can use brown or black. Go ahead and color in your watermelon seeds. Okay. And then remember, it says a small green sprout grows. So we should see a green sprout. And then you can add in some dirt. You can color your dirt brown at the bottom. Okay? All right, friends, you can color the rest on your own, thinking about what it looks like in real life. So your vine will be green, then you can color your flower, and then last the watermelon on the vine too. All right, boys and girls, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon.